In the last class we have studied about the bird. So for the bird, how many types of feathers are there? There are three types of feathers. That is flight feather, down feathers, then body feathers. So let us see what are flight feathers. Flight feathers means these will be long and stiff and it will change the direction while flying. So they are the wings and they are on the wings. Here the flight feathers will be on the wings and tail of the bird. Okay, down feathers will be very soft, smooth and small and soft. It keeps the bird's body warm. Okay, body feathers. Here body feathers, it gives the shade to bird's body and cover the entire body. Okay, it will give the shape to the bird's body and it will cover up the entire body. Okay, the outer covering of bird's feathers, it will be there, no, that we call it as plumage. Okay, so next is preening. Preening is the process of cleaning the feathers by the birds with their beaks. So have you seen children that birds ಇವಾಗ beak ಇಂದ ಮೈಯೆಲ್ಲ ಇದನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ? So that will be cleaning the feathers with the by the birds with their beaks. For that process we call it as preening. Okay, different birds have different colored feathers. The colored feathers, it looks very attractive and also it will it looks very attractive and it helps for the birds to camouflage. Camouflage means to hide. Okay, so here the birds will have different birds will be there and different colors of feathers will be there. In that, the colorful feathers, it makes them to look attractive and it also helps the birds to hide. Okay, for that hiding we call it as camouflage. Next we are going to study flight patterns. Flight patterns. Here birds like hens, some of the birds they will be in the arctic tone. So like geese and swallows, so they will fly very long distances. Birds like hens and peacocks, only for some distances they will fly. Okay, eagles and vultures fly very high in the sky, whereas sparrows and bulbuls fly at a low height. Not all the birds can fly. Some of the birds like kiwi, emu, ostrich, these are the flightless birds. So which one will not fly? For that we are going to say it as flightless birds. So next is home sweet home. Next topic is home sweet home. So we are all having the homes, right? In the home, why you are going to stay? Because of the shelter. So like that, here birds will also have homes in the nest. So birds will build the nest to lay the eggs and afterwards it will take care about their young ones. Okay, if the eggs will hatch and the young ones comes out, the birds use the dry leaves, twigs, wool, clothes, stones, etc. to build its nest. Okay, it will take care very nicely how the peoples will take care about their their babies. Like that it is going to take care about its young ones. So a penguin, so it piles up the stones together on the shores to build its nest. Shores andre samudra dandege, alli penguin ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲ stones nu collect ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು it will build its nest. A woodpecker, it makes holes in the tree trunk with its beak to build a nest. Okay, an eagle, it builds a rugged nest high on the tree top. Tree top ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಈಗಲು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿರುತ್ತೆ. So tailor bird ಅಂದ್ರೆ have you seen that it will build its nest with a hole. Okay, the tailor bird we call for that, and it stitches the leaves with spider ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ ಅದರಿಂದ ಅದು ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಸ್ಟಿಚ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ leaves ನ. So it spider web silk or plant fibers and it will make a nest. It is lined with grass to make it soft and comfortable. It will be very soft and it is comfortable to live in that. Okay, so next is types of beaks. So here we are going to learn this one in the next class. Up to here what I have said, that you have to read the lesson. Okay children, thank you.